Alright. Hey everybody, it's your boy Aaron here. And I'm back at it again for another video. And it's been a while since I made a video. I recorded a commercial, a BK commercial. That was on college football. And yes, I'm watching a college football, Colorado versus Oregon. So today's video, this is going to be a video. And that's right. This is a video that came to my mind, and that is an airplane home. Now, an airplane home, as you can see, I look at this on Google Maps. I watch exactly films about an airplane home and you see there's an airplane home in a forest located in far west of Portland in Oregon, Hillsboro, Oregon. And right there, yeah, as you can see, and there's a that Boeing 727, that airplane that's sitting around the forest. Maybe it's a retired plane, and some people think it is abandoned or they just abandoned it, but that's not even true. Because why is it not true? The actual reason why that airplane is sitting in the forest making it house is it's a man named Bruce Campbell, and you see that Bruce never wanted a wife and never wanted kids and never wanted a mortgage. It's no wife, no kids, no mortgage, but he needed a place where he want to live at. So here is an airplane home. He lived in an airplane home, and then he added some renovations, converted from an airplane to a house. And right there's a house over here. And now he popped up some renovations, and of course there's a laundry and over here it's in Japanese. Here they're trying to renovate the house, and now Bruce needed a place to live, so he got to the plane, and then he converted from a plane to a home, called an airplane home for 727, and now it's his full-time home for that. So a man named Bruce, he spent half of his year in Japan. He goes to Oregon and try to find a place, and he found an airplane, Boeing 727, and he converted it. Now it's his full-time home. So yeah, that's the airplane home that's sitting in the forest. If you think this plane is abandoned, you're wrong, because the actual reason is a man named Bruce Campbell, because he never wanted a wife, he never wanted kids, and never wanted a mortgage. And so he made an airplane to a home. Now it's his full-time home. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the video, and hit like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell button, and I see you in the next video, okay? Peace out.